Hello! In front of me I've got Oppo Find X3 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning let's enter Google Pay. And as you can see, this is the homepage of this app. From here you can add payment method and add different types of cards. If you tap here, you got access to all your payment methods, full list of participating banks, and your activity. Next we've got settings, where you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes and offers and tips. You can also edit your account info. Then we've got contactless setup, where you can set payment method, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got set a lock screen, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and access to your Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.